Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share with you my kits that I'm planning to use for March 2023. So March, with the way the dates fall, there's really 5 weeks that are majority in March. So I have 5 kits here that I'm going to be using. So for the first week, it's actually February 27th through March 5th. I'm going to be using this kit from Lovely Planner Blog. It's called Spring. Definitely not officially the start of spring, but hopefully we start getting some spring vibes going on by that week. So definitely very excited for that. So using this kit, and it has all those kind of soft colors. It's also very pink focused, which I feel like is nice for that transition from February to March, with Valentine's Day in February, obviously. So I think it's really cute and fun. For the next week, it is March 6th through the 12th, and this kit is from Pretty Planner Printables. It's just called Gold, Pink, and Blue Patterns. I thought it would also be a fun kit. It's kind of an anytime kit, which is always nice to be using in this kind of early part of March. And then it's also bright and cheerful and has some kind of spring colors, but also this bold black and white, which I find kind of fun to be using. And I'm really excited for that. So that one's the kit for that week. The third week is March 13th through 19th. That has St. Patrick's Day in it. So I'm going to be using this kit from Life with Mayra. I just printed off the first page. I think the kit's just called St. Patrick's Day. But I felt like this first page was really all I need. And then I'll pull in a few things from my stash. But I like the rainbows. I think that's bright and fun, and lots of definitely St. Patrick's Day themed things. And then also we have some icons, which I can pull in as needed as well, which I think will be really good. The following week is March 20th through the 26th. That's going to be my birthday week. So for that one, I'm pulling in something a little different. I'm going to be using this technically the same kit as I used for my birthday last year. So that was this Chasing Chelsea. This one's called Cottage. It came in her advent calendar, I believe in 2019. So I definitely have a good chunk of leftovers from here. A bunch of boxes, some scenes, a couple full boxes here, more boxes here, and then some functionals. These little butterflies, these are also silver. Pulling these icons and stuff in, washi strips or headers, and some more boxes here. So this is probably enough on its own. I also have this page with some more kind of deco things like that. And then I have 2 quote boxes there. But I also pulled out some of the other stuff from the kit. So I'm trying to decide which half I'm going to use. I probably don't need both halves. But this is some of the other stuff from that same advent calendar. This is a Sticker Monster Co. It's like a few page kit, kind of like a mini TN kind of kit. So it has these full boxes and icon deco, some headers, the day covers, some functional things, some boxes and other things down here, and then another page of functional kind of stuff. And then these are some of the other pages from Purple Bunny Prints. This one's from The Beautiful Mess, Bodacious Prints, Bean Sprout Planner Paper Co., the Fruity Sticker Co., and then Kimmy's Studio. So I'm not sure exactly what of this stuff I want to pull in. I'm kind of thinking maybe this one, since we'll actually be in Amsterdam for part of the week, and it's tulip season, or the start of tulip season. But I'm just keeping all of this stuff while I figure out what exactly it is that I want to do for that week, and I'll probably play around with it when we get there. And then for the final week, it's March 27th through April 2nd, and this is really for sure springtime, hopefully at least. So this is a vintage glam studio kit. It's called Spring Meadow. And it has this kind of brighter turquoise and teal, which I thought would be perfect for that transition into April when we start getting a little brighter and more cheerful and more springy. So that was the last kit that I'm using. So got quite a bit going on, particularly when you consider this giant stack that I have here. But it is also a pretty long month. in terms of how the weeks divide. So that also plays a role, obviously. But this is kind of what we've got going on for the month. So I'm very excited to use all of these things. You'll see them in some upcoming spreads, but that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what kit you're most excited to see me use, and also what kit you're most excited to use in March for yourself. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see spreads with all of these kits. You'll see bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, things like that. And until next time, bye.